Hi everyone, welcome to That'll Do Garage. It's a big day today. I am at my local friendly Ford dealership here, and I'm here to order a Bronco. I'm crazy excited. My heart is all a flutter, and you know, I'm such a nerd, right? Like, I've been thinking about this for months since it came out, and I'm not even getting it for a long time. I'm just here to like pick out the options and sign the papers and stuff. So I'm crazy excited. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys with today and show you what this process is like. You also might be wondering why I'm just ordering a Bronco now. This is June of 2021, and they were announced quite a while ago. In fact, the 2021 models are supposed to be arriving at dealerships this summer. But the fact is that, as I mentioned before, I'm a nerd, and I'm very, very particular about the drivetrain and the equipment that this vehicle will have. I do intend to keep this forever and hand it down to, you know, grandkids or whatever someday. But I really want the manual transmission with the Sasquatch package, and that is not available for the 2021 model, so I have to get a 22, which is fine. And I did get a reservation back in March, so it shouldn't be too long of a wait. But honestly, I'm expecting this time next year, I think maybe summer of 2022, I'll actually get the vehicle. So I'll tell you more about it later and what all the options are and so on. But I got to get in here. Just got a couple minutes. I'm crazy excited, and I'm such a nerd. I got a whole sheaf of papers with questions and details and just a bunch of nerdy stuff. But yeah, it should be a fun time, so I'm excited to share it with you. Come along and see how it goes. Well, this is my sad and angry face. It's like 6 minutes later. I walked in there and shook the hand of the salesman. He walked me over to the new car sales dude, asked him like 2 questions, and immediately realized that I'm talking about a 22, he's still talking about a 21, and he said we won't be able to order a 22 until August, which stinks because I called the salesman last week and I said, hey, I'm over the moon excited to order a Bronco. Can I order a 22? And he went over to that used car, or that new car dude, and he was like, hey, can you order a 22? And that dude said, yep, I can order a 22, which I was surprised by. But, you know, you think you can trust people, right? So, nope, he was ill-informed. Definitely can't order a 22 yet. He's saying a couple more months and then I can come back and get all excited again. So I'm kind of bummed because I was telling people and, you know, like announcing the birth of a new child. I was like texting people about it, and I'm so excited. But I'll have to keep waiting. And it's worth it because the 22 is better than the 21, and it's gonna have cool colors that they don't have now, and it's got the better drivetrain thing and all this stuff. So I'm trying to be happy, but right now I'm angry. Just wish you could trust people, you know. And I gotta be frank, I was a little nervous because I've watched a few videos on YouTube of guys ordering their Bronco, and a lot of them are spending like 2 or 3 hours at the dealership and asking 100 questions, and the buyer knows more about the Bronco than the guy setting up the order, and that makes me nervous. Like, I want to go work with a salesman that knows more about the product than I do and can answer my questions and, you know, help me figure out the best way through the process. So I'm a little nervous about that, that they won't be able to answer my questions, but whatever. I just have to read all the fine print and really know what I'm looking at before I sign anything. So that's kind of a bummer, but I'll just be excited now until August, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home and cry a little bit.